Hello. So, today I'm going to talk about what? What? AI has already replaced 80% of data analysts. That is true or not? Okay, so in many companies, 17-80% of traditional data analysis tasks are already automated. Dashboard auto refresh by AI, report generated automatically by AI, insights are suggested by AI tools. Even trends prediction are machine generated. So the question is, has AI already replaced data analysts or has the role just transformed? Okay, so we are going to talk about. Okay, let's break this. Let's break this down logically without hype. Okay, so what data analysis traditionally did? So before AI tool become mainstreams, data analysis spend most of their time on data cleaning, data transformation, writing SQL query, creating dashboard, generating weekly report, generating monthly report, basic trend analysis, and KPI monitoring. Now ask yourself, are these tasks rule-based and repetitive? Okay, yes. Okay, that is exactly what AI excel at. So what AI tool are doing today? Modern AI power, for example, Power BI system can auto clean data sets. Okay, Power BI suggests visualization. It generates the dashboard, detect the anomalies, forecast trends, and summarize the insight in a natural language. So enterprise tool now include AI assistant inside. So BI platforms, CRM systems, ERP software, HR dashboard. A manager can simply type show me last quarter revenue trends and highlight risk area. And then system produce chart, insights, written summary, and predict forecasts. So this used to take an hour. Okay. So it took time. So whether 80% replacement idea come from when people say AI replace 80% of data analysis. Okay, what they usually mean is AI replace 80% of repetitive analytic tasks, especially data aggregation, standard reporting, descriptive analysis, basic trend detection. What here is the you can say it did not replace human. Okay, because of business problem framing. Okay, it did not replace human because of business problem framing, contextual decision making, stakeholder communication, okay, strategic interpretations, and data storytelling. Okay, so which data analysis role are most at risk? Okay, so high risk when if you are data analysis and doing reporting analysis, or you are going to create excel and heavy manual analyst. Okay, and dashboard only role, if you have dashboard only role. Okay, and you are using static SQL query writer. You are a SQL query writer, so you can at high risk. Okay, low risk where? So business analyst with domain knowledge, analytic consultants, data storyteller, strategic data translator, analyst who understand business impact. The more your job is tool based, the more automation risk increase. The more your job is thinking based, the safer you are. Okay, so the real shift from data analysis to inside strategist. So the role is evolving. Future ready data professionals will use AI tools, validate AI output, ask better question, focus on decision impact, work closely with leadership instead of instead of i mean instead of you can say I must say what the data means for business growth. That difference is critical. Instead of here is the data, and they must say here is what the data means for business growth. That the difference is critical. Okay, so hidden risk, we can say hidden risk or over reliance on AI. I mean over rely on AI. Okay, so there is another danger. If company rely entirely on AI, okay, bias can enter models and incorrect assumption go, okay, and context may be ignored, and AI detect patterns. It does not understand corporate politics, it does not understand strategy. Okay, human must audit AI. So, how data analysts can stay relevant? If you are a data analyst today, learn AI integrated BI tool, improve business communication, develop domain enterprise, focus on advanced analytics, learn automation workflow. Okay, move from data extractor to data decision, I mean decision enabler. That is survival. Okay, so has I mean AI replace 80% of data analysts? No, maybe, but some company are going to be replaced. Okay, it has replaced 80% of repetitive task. Okay, so the role is not disappearing, it is upgrading. The real threat is not AI, the real threat is staying the same while the tool evolve.